Hi folks, I hope you all doing well. If you are into ethical hacking, cybersecurity, or just want to try out Kali Linux safely without affecting your main system, you are in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Super easy, beginner friendly, and by the end of this video, you will have a working Kali Linux machine ready to go. Kali Linux is a powerful penetration testing OS, and running it in a virtual machine is the safest way to use it. Let's get started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. First, we need to download and install VirtualBox. Head over to virtualbox.org, click on Downloads, and choose your operating system. Step 2 is download Kali Linux ISO. Now let's get Kali Linux. Go to kali.org, click on download and choose the ISO file for the 64-bit installer. Once you installed VirtualBox and downloaded Kali Linux, open VirtualBox and click on New to create a virtual machine. Name it Kali Linux. Attach the ISO file as a virtual CD to boot from. Set type Linux and version will be Debian 64-bit. Set RAM to at least 2 GB. Create a virtual hard disk now. Set disk size to at least 20 GB. Now start the virtual machine. The Kali Linux installer will load. Select graphical install and let's go through the setup. Choose language, location and keyboard layout. Set up the basics, host name, domain, you can leave it blank, and create a user. Use guided partitioning entire disk. All files in one partition. Finish and confirm. Write to disk. The installation may take a few minutes. When asked, install the group bootloader to the primary drive. Select yes to install group on the primary drive. Once it's done, reboot your system and log in with the username and password you created. So very first thing you will need to do is update your system. So open your terminal and type following command: So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ethical hacking and tech tutorials. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop them in the comment below and I will help you out. See you in the next one. Take care and